there mga kabatak. Today what I will show you is how to edit your video in YouTube using your Android phone. So let's see. First you have to open your YouTube app. Open here. Oh, it's not coming fast. Yes. So I will show you my channel. So for example, this is your channel. There are three dots here on the right corner, here, this side, right. So save playlist, watch later, or share. But you cannot edit it here. You have to swipe left, then all of your videos will come. So for example, I want to edit this chicken adobo video. So I will tap the three dots here, right corner. Yes, and just tap edit. See, like that. You want to change the title, description, like that, the privacy, or you want to add tags. You want to put your location here. So it's already here. And you have to tap save on top corner. Like that. So this only for today, guys.